Welcome back to the Catio. Tonight we're going to make some smash burger breakfast sandwiches, and we're going to be using sausage instead of hamburger. And we have chopped up some onions, got some eggs stirred up and ready to go. And we're going to make these sandwiches on English muffins, and we have those sliced and ready to go. So I think we're ready to move all this out to the griddle. We are now out at the griddle, which is heated up to about 400 degrees. We're going to start with our oil with some butter. We're going to put that down here. And you do not want the butter to burn. That's a good check on your temperature. If that butter bubbles up like you're seeing it doing now, it looks good. If it burns, your griddle's probably a little too hot. So we will start with our onions in that nice batch of butter. And we are going to follow that up with our pork. Now, so I can just pop them in the microwave, have them for breakfast in the morning. So we are starting right here with our sausage and with our onions. And it won't take long. We are going to cook the temp. Right now the griddle is about 360 degrees, which is perfect. And we want to cook our pork, like any pork, to about 160 degrees. So we're going to let these onions cook. We're going to let the pork cook. With our secret recipe with some of Jan's steak rub, and I'll put the recipe down in the description. And we're also going to use some Kentucky bourbon barbecue rub, just because I like these sandwiches a little tangy, and that should certainly help with that. Okay. Once we get these onions to a nice color, we're going to add them and make some smashed sausages, some breakfast sausages. Yeah, those are cooking faster than the bigger ones. Might even turn these. These are not part of the recipe. We are making these just to have them for some breakfast in the morning when we do that. So we're just going to let those nice. Oh, see what the bottom looks like here. Smash them down. And before we smash these once again, we're going to get our vegetables ready. Now, if you're used to making smash burgers, and you're trying this recipe, that's awesome. I think you'll really like it. Just so you know, sausages don't smash down and hold up as quite as easily as burgers do. Not yet for him. This guy can come off. Step. Lay some onions on these sausage patties. Take out plastic bag and the press. We're going to press these down. Oh, look at that. And we are going to give those a flip. Onions in there. We're going to press them down again. Keep an eye on the temperature. Well, a little more butter over here for our eggs. And we are going to use our egg rings. Sure they're nice and flat, make good contact. You don't want them sticking up, so there we go. So now we'll put our eggs in here. Okay. And 3 eggs is just about perfect. Push these down into the onions again. See where we're at temperature-wise. Okay, 751. Okay. Now, add a little more butter. And this won't take long. Just want to put a little butter on those. Just a minute or so. There we go. That does not take long. And when those are ready to go, we're going to flip them. Put our sausage and our onions on the bottom. Sit down. Grab the other bottom. There we go. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. Onions on there. We're going to press those down over the bottom. There we go. Onions there. And now, grab these. As soon as our, oops, that's not quite ready yet. Okay. So, We will then take these off. And we're going to put a nice piece of deli cheddar cheese right on top. There you go. Squish that down. Let these eggs set up. There we go. Take these off. Add a little extra butter. Just give that another trip. There we go. I think now I'm going to put the eggs on our sandwiches. Here, and we're going to put these on for one last. Oh, that's the butter. Go around. Go. Push those down. Together here. Sometimes it's easier said than done. And there we have our Smashburger breakfast sandwiches. So we are going to enjoy those, and we will see you next time on the Catio.